Alright, so they're bringing Koraidon and Zacian to this party. Two absolute monsters. And I'm not about to lead into that without Intimidate backing me up. I'm going Incineroar and Miraidon into their slot 1 and slot 2 because if I can get that Intimidate off on Koraidon before it goes Nuclear and Sun, and have Miraidon ready to pivot with Electro Drift, or just threaten Walking Wake, I'm in way better shape than if I sleep on these restricted threats. Alright, I'm going hard on
Miraidon's
electric terrain is going to mess with their speed
gonna sweep me if I
which
don't get it
honestly
off the board
feels critical
fast.
when they especially with Sun Up and probably Sticky Web waiting to wreck my
I like my
Calyrex's
odds with the
already
double
terrible
super effective
speed.
into knockoff.
Better to
And
control
honestly,
the
if I
board
can
early
KO
than
it
get caught
outright,
off guard later.
even better,
But I'm not going to count on that. Gliscor's getting hit by Glacial Lance either way, so at least I'm not leaving anything on the table here. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good right now. That Glacial Lance last turn was Chef's Kiss, and I've got Calyrex at +2 attack, which is honestly disgusting. Walking Wake scares me a little with that sun-boosted Hydro Steam, but I'm banking on Glacial Lance just deleting Leavanny and softening up Wake enough that I can finish this. Incineroar's stuck hitting things anyway since I'm taunted, so might as well go for the item removal on their bigger threat. Alright, so Leavanny's basically dead anyway at 26%, but Walking Wake is the real problem here. That thing just nuked my Calyrex with Helping Hand support, and I'm not trying to let it do that again. I'm going to dump everything into Walking Wake with Electro Drift, since Electric Terrain plus Super Effective should hit it like a truck, and then just clean up Leavanny with Knockoff. Feels right to me. Let's do this. Okay, I'm in a rough spot here. I've already lost both my restricted legendaries, which is, yeah, that's not great. But at least I can see that Electric Terrain is blocking Spore anyway, since Leavanny's grounded, so I'm just gonna hit it twice with Pollen Puff and Knockoff to try to clean it up before they bring in whatever's next. I'm hoping this gets the KO because if it doesn't, I'm basically playing from behind with just my 2 remaining Pokemon. Alright, I'm going for the double up on Leavanny here. Pollen Puff and Knockoff should be enough to close this out before their next Pokemon comes in. I'm feeling pretty good about this because even though Spore's a dead move against it, I've got the damage to finish the job, and I really need to clean up this board state before they bring in something I can't handle. Alright, I'm just going to bite the bullet here and pivot to Calyrex Ice, because honestly, watching Incineroar get its attack stat shredded turn after turn is killing me. I need to reset those drops and bring in something that can actually threaten Leavanny. And 4 times super effective ice coverage